Buongiorno, cheese lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the world of Italian cheese and explore some lesser-known facts that will surprise you. Italy is famous for its fantastic cheeses, but there's so much more to discover than just mozzarella and parmesan. So, grab a glass of wine, and let's get started. The ancient origins of Italian cheese. Did you know that cheese making in Italy dates back to 2000 BC? Ancient Italians were among the first to develop the art of cheese making. The art has since been passed down through generations, evolving into the diverse range of cheeses we enjoy today. Pecorino Romano's surprising history. Pecorino Romano, a hard, salty cheese made from sheep's milk, has been a staple in Italian cuisine for centuries. But did you know that it was a favorite among Roman soldiers? In ancient Rome, Pecorino Romano was included in military rations, and each legionary received a daily ration of this cheese. It provided a great source of protein and nutrients for the soldiers on the go. Cheese protection in Italy. Just like how wine regions have protected status, many Italian cheeses also have specific designations to ensure their authenticity and quality. The designation of origin, DOP, and protected geographical indication, IGP, labels help protect the integrity of these delicious cheeses. So, the next time you buy Italian cheese, look for these labels. The many faces of mozzarella. Mozzarella is a fan favorite, but did you know there are different types of mozzarella? The traditional mozzarella di bufala campana is made from buffalo milk, while the fior di latte is made from cow's milk. There's also burrata, which is a fresh, creamy cheese with a mozzarella shell and a soft, creamy center. Each variety has its unique flavor and texture, perfect for different dishes. Cavallo, a cheese with a unique shape. Cavallo is a distinctive pear-shaped cheese with a slightly spicy taste. The name Cavallo translates to cheese on horseback, a name inspired by the traditional method of hanging the cheese over a wooden rod to age, resembling a saddle on a horse. This unique shape and aging process give Cavallo its distinctive taste and character. The unsung hero, Robaiala. Robaiala is a lesser-known Italian cheese that deserves some recognition. This soft, creamy cheese is typically made from cow's, sheep's, or goat's milk. It has a delicate, tangy flavor and a velvety texture, making it perfect for spreading on crackers or bread. Robaiala has been produced in the Piedmont region for centuries and is a must-try for cheese enthusiasts. So, there you have it, folks. Italy's cheese history and culture is as rich and diverse as its wine and pasta. We hope this video has inspired you to explore and taste some of these lesser-known Italian cheeses. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cheesy adventures. Arrivederci.